friends, welcome back to Absolute Periwinkle and it's me Siddhi. So today's video is all about finding your very own personal signature style. So when we first talk about the term signature style, generally some sort of celebrity or a fashion model pops up into our mind. But it's not just about the celebrities, it's more about you, me and every single person out there. So signature style is one's very personal opinion on fashion. It's more about what you love to wear, what kind of outfits you love, what kind of styling you embrace yourself with, what kind of fashion you are attracted towards. So it's all about you and your personal choices. It's more about your own comfort and your own fashion preferences. So today I'm going to tell you some steps to find out your very personal signature style and then further embrace it in a more fashionable way. So without wasting any further time, let's get to the video. So step number 1 is to find the favorite from your closet. So we generally end up buying a lot of clothes, but we end up wearing a very small section of clothes which are our personal favorites. So I want you to find out those particular clothes and then further divide them into the categories of work wear or gym wear or a party wear. So these three are rough categories that I myself have divided my clothes into, but you definitely can have some other categories as well. So just take out all the clothes and find out the favorite ones and divide them into different categories. Moving on to step number 2. So now the fun part begins. Now I'm going to ask you a few questions and I want you to answer them according to your personal favorite closet choices. So let's begin. So the very first question is, what do you have more, t-shirts or tops? Second question is, what do you wear the most, skirts or jeans? The third question being, do you prefer joggers or do you prefer formal pants or do you prefer jeans? So like I have given you 3 choices, now you have to tick your own personal favorite out of these 3. So now moving on to some of the accessories. I'm also going to ask you some questions based on accessories, as accessories play a very important part of your closet and of your whole styling of that outfit. Like accessories can definitely change an outfit's entire look. So coming on to accessories, what kind of footwear are you interested in? So question number 1 is, do you like flats or do you prefer heels? Question number 2 is, do you like to wear sliders or something very casual like slippers or sneakers, or are you more into formal shoes and formal heels and closed-toe shoes? So now once we are done counting your favorites, now we are moving on to some color shades and tones. So are there any particular shades or tones that are more in number than the rest in your that favorite closet? Like few years back, my whole closet was filled of blues, blacks and whites. So are there any particular shades that you love wearing? You need to find that shade out. Now coming on to step number 3, lastly we are gonna see if there are any favorite brands that you love wearing. Like maybe there's a brand that you shop more from. So I want you to identify that particular brand or those particular brands and jot their names down. So we are done with the main process of it and now just the analyzing part is left. So for analyzing it, I'm going to tell you about some styles, like their peculiarities and some aesthetics of those styles. And what I want you to do is to find out similarities between the styles that I tell you and with what you have right now. So that way you're gonna finally end up on one signature style that is originally yours. So I'm gonna start with my personal look. That is, if you're having more number of t-shirts or more number of denim shorts, denim jeans, or maybe if you're having more number of denim jackets, solid t-shirts, graphic t-shirts, and you like to pair them up with some sort of sneakers or very casual slippers or sliders, then you fall under the category of casual denim look. So yeah, that's your style then. Moving on to style number 2, that is again something very exciting, the boho chic style. If you like to wear shrugs, if you like to pair them up with long neck pieces, if you are into flowery prints, or if you are into very whitish, creamish tones, very loose clothes, like you can see in the pictures right here on the screen, then definitely you are a boho chic style holder. Moving on to our third style, which is again super feminine, which includes some frocks, some ruffled tops, some puffed sleeves, and some A-line skirts, some networks. Then this is your category. It's called romantic style. Like the garments are very feminine, they are very rounded, very smooth, very soft, and they enhance the femininity in you. Moving on to our fourth style, that is the minimalistic look. So for minimalistic look, if you like to dress up in very minimal clothes, in not very much of prints, in very solid tones, that too the tones that go together with each other, and the accessories are also very minimalistic, like only a round pendant or square earrings, very small, very sleek, and very solid in form, then you are definitely a follower of minimalistic fashion. So our fifth category is all about leather fabric or maybe sequenced tops, very glamorous, very glittery wear. If you love to wear nets, glittery tops, if you love to party, leopard prints and all, then you are definitely under the category of a glam fashion lover. So moving on to our next category, that is the classics. So under the classics comes those classics that haven't been changed for over a century now. For example, the classic white shirt look. So white shirt comes under the classic. Then the tan heels, these all things are very classic and they never go out of fashion. So these are the classics. If you are in love with the classics, then you are definitely a fashion lover. So that's it for our categories, and I really hope that you fall at least in one of these categories, and if you don't, then please do tell me in the comment section and we will sort it out for you. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, then make sure that you hit the like button, the subscribe button, and also share it with your friends. Also, I have made many more DIY videos as well as styling videos. So make sure that you watch them too, and bye bye, take care.